Some just like to stay at home. But what we're doing here
So
is
yeah, tell me what you did today.
what we're doing is exercising. All this way, that way, pull up that leg, take down that leg, and then go around in circles, and just really moving a whole lot. And then we had about 12 people in there, and each one of us was kind of going in a different way. And then we had these big balls. We could shoot big balls
yeah.
at each other. I thought that was the best part of it.
With real bouncy, right? Not like the dodgeball back in the day.
Real bouncy, yeah.
Nice rubber ball to the face.
Yeah. But when we got done with it, she said, "Well, everybody here did pretty good." And so I thought some of them are really good. And then we're going to go down below there, and they're going to have another place where we can actually get more walking.
This is at the rec center?
Yeah, all of it is.
You think Dad could keep up with everything?
I don't know.
I don't know.
He seemed to. He really seemed to. So I hope that he will.
So you went to the rec center and you're going to go back, what, it's going to be twice a week?
Thursday, yeah. Tuesday and Thursday. Good weeks.
Nice.
Good times. Yeah.
Nice.
That's what we're
I'll have to
gonna
join you guys at some point because
do. You should too. You really should.
I know. They have the swimming there I saw, and they have yoga.
That's what we're going to do probably next. We'll do the yoga because I want to do that.
Yes.
But then I see the big pool out there, and I think, well, I'd like to go in that. So I'm gonna
The
go.
pool for sure.
Now, probably
yes.
tonight I'm trying to put on my
Your suit?
performance for my
Your suit?
for my suit because I hope I fit into it. And I've had that thing.
I have one you could wear.
Do you?
Oh, yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Boobs are a little big in it, but, you know, other
When
than that.
did you use yours in the water?
Yeah, I did when I was
So
at
this
that
is
gym
way
up
back
there.
when the kids were-
No, the gym right here
You
during
did?
COVID. Yeah, remember when I was
yeah.
riding my bike up to the gym
Yeah, I do.
and working out and then coming back?
That was good.
So the only thing I don't like about that pool, though, it's outside, right?
Well, but the weather is so that you want to have it outside, and it's probably a little bit cool.
But it's
It may-
hot
It may be
outside.
a little bit warm. I don't know. So if we go in the evening or early morning, would be the best.
I was seeing that they close at like 7 some nights. Of course, it's not. It's like I think Saturday. Of course, I'm working, so I can't go and take advantage of that. But I think during the week they said it closed at like, or no, it was 9 on the weekend or on Saturday, I think.
I don't think she mentioned the weekend, but I'm sure that the more we order, we're paying for them. Giving to them, so they'll appreciate it.
Do you know my insurance covers it too?
It probably was.
So I mean, I don't know. I need to get on this and do something. Like maybe the rowing machines.
And I don't
Those
think-
rowing machines that you sit on and you put your feet and then you just glide
That's
kind of
very-
on them.
Remember, I used to have them a long time ago, but they're lost too.
Look at those dark legs.
And we have a lot of flowers.
Mm-hmm.
So I called a couple people today, got Margie. Of course, I always get Margie. But she's always got something going on. She says, "Well, there's a squirrel out in the middle of my green grass."
Squirrels.
But I don't know if it was a
Squirrels.
squirrel.
We don't have squirrels here.
We
Too
don't.
hot.
But she's always got something going on. Tonight she was calling me. And the tribe wore this much, and the tribe did this much, and the tribe did that.
How long have you known her?
59, 58. I might be 60 years.
Are you serious?
I'm serious about that. Because it's before Dave.
Right. Was it like? But Marlene.
Oh,
Marlene.
Marlene was forever. That was
Right.
That was in high school.
Grade
not
school,
her.
right?
Yeah, but this one, I think that we met her. I don't remember how we met her, but I think that as soon as I saw her, you see certain ones, and you see that this one is the one I wanted to spend time with,
Margie.
Margie. But now there's a lady now that we went out with and her husband last night. Then we visit them every Wednesday,
Right.
and I think that she's pretty good too.
You're on top of these days. I don't even know what day it is anymore.
This Thursday.
I know. You're better than I am. Ever since I've had Wednesday, Thursday off, I'm so
Oh,
confused.
because it's different.
Yeah, so confused. Like I think I'm still Monday, Tuesday since I had that off for a whole year. With Monday, Tuesdays off.
Yeah.
So.
Now, I was hoping Barb was going to come and talk with you sometime.
Oh, her name's Barb.
I think it's Barb. I'm pretty sure it is. And I'm not sure, but she might have been the one. Her husband's used to work with Southwest Airlines, if this is what I'm talking about.
Oh.
Tall with real black hair and
Really?
real strong. Every time I see him, we usually talk about Herb Kelleher and all that went on with him. And I would like to see him with Dave sometimes. So they just talk together about that.
You gonna have some Mexican pizza I'm making tonight?
I'll try, but it's so hot I might not want
Mexican
anything.
pizza.
I don't know. I was thinking about everything I'm growing out of. I'd take off all my clothes.
No, it's so hot.
But, and I'm not one that ever run that
Well,
much.
it's 105 today, Mom.
But I don't know.
105.
Well, then he's out there in the hot sun.
He's going to be
practicing.
playing on Saturday in the hot sun.
Yes.
Mm.
The older lady called up yesterday.
Phew.
She was asking if maybe she could go to one of his gigs. But I don't think that'd be a good idea.
No, it's too hot.
I
It'll
mean,
be
she's
105.
very, very nice. She's very sweet. I've also known her for a long time. In that
Oh,
group that we were in.
Yeah.
So then she was in that group too.
She's a dancer.
Well, she kind of could be, but
Right.
maybe not so much now.
Is there anything else you'd like to say?
No, other than I hope that everything goes well, and that our weather will stay okay with us.
It's not going to. It's just going to get
Because I hate
to
to see-
300 degrees soon.
See, I hate to see somebody who has different things going on with their health
I know.
going in a real hot place.
I know.
So I would worry about him.
I
And
know.
I'm sure it won't be inside.
No, it's outside.
Yeah, I don't want that. But I just hope and pray he'll be okay, and that maybe one day he'll find a better place to stay in, which I'm sure he will.
Yeah.
This is the first one. I think it's going to be a couple of kids.
Graduation
high school
party.
Graduation.
Yeah.
Whether I go there, I'm not sure if I'll go. I might go.
Maybe you should go to have his back in case, because he's outside. You know.
Maybe.
It's in Peoria too, I think. He
Not
said.
too far from there.
Union Hills.
Is that where it is?
Mm-hmm.
That's right. So I'll tell my friend that in case she wanted to do it. Because she was a strong nurse, so she would be good to call around with you.
Oh yeah.
Because she knows what's going on.
Yeah. I love you.
I love you too, and we hope that we have a good night. I'm sure we will, and I'm sure we'll come around something else that we find in our closets.
Mm-hmm.
We always do. Yeah, pretty much like this, but not this one.
Bob Dylan. Bob Dylan.
That'll be it for
Yeah,
a
let's see
long
the shirt.
time.
Bob Dylan. Pull the shirt down a little bit so you Bob Dylan. That's right. The concert you went to. Mom went to Bob Dylan and Willie Nelson last weekend.
And
Last Monday.
and that was and then the son, too, the grandson.
Oh yeah, yeah. All right. Well, I'm gonna go in there because I have to put my pizzas in the oven. I wanted to have my conversations with my
I'm glad we
mama.
always have. We have to do that. We should do that. You know,
I know.
we should do it a lot. Because remember, I always told you you're my baby girl.
Aw, and
And you always have, but I've got these pictures. Even, I can show it. I've got them in here, but I can't tell you how to get to them. Well, I look at it almost every day. Of course, Joan picks up every single day, and all these other ones. But I know I can pull it out. I'll show it to you when I
okay.
find it
We'll
again.
we'll find the pictures.
We will.
Do you know what today's date is?
It's in the 20s now. 20, 21, 22.
Of what?
March.
May.
Is it May?
Yes.
Oh my God.
Yes, it's May.
You're
You're
right.
right, and you're right on the date. Let me see.
But, oh my goodness.
I think it's the 21st. It's May.
So we're going to be in summer.
Yes. That's why it's so hot. Yeah, May 21st, I believe.
Yeah. Boy, it flew by.
It is.
June pretty soon.
Yes. My
Yeah.
raise pretty soon at
In
work.
June we'll have another get-together convention of some sort.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, again.
Well, that'll be coming up soon.
Well, we like that too because we get to see the people we don't see it for all the time. And they're all different.
You want to say goodbye?
For now.
Goodbye for
see
now.
you in about, what, 10 minutes? 20 minutes?
Right.
But saying goodbye, that's good.
We'll see you in about 10 minutes, Mama. Oh, bugs.